Hello friends, today we shall discuss question number 5, exercise 3.4. Which of the following numbers are co-prime? That is question number D. Question number D is, what is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers, if there is only one common factor, that is 1 between two numbers, then the numbers are said to be co-prime. Suppose 17 and 68. 17 and 68. First of all, we will find the factors of both the numbers. Therefore, factors of 17 is 1 into 17 is equal to 17. Therefore, factors of 17 are factors of 17 are 1, 1 and 17. We will find the factors of 68. That is 1 into 68. 68 is equal to 68. 2 into 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 34 is equal to 68. 3, no, 3, 4 is 4, 4 into 4 1 is 4, 5 is 28, 4 7 is 28, that is 68. 5, 6, no, 7, 8, 9, 10, no, right. Therefore, factors of 68 are factors of 68. Factors of 68 are 1, 2, 4, 17, 34, 68. We will find the common factors of 17 and 68. Therefore, common factors of 17 and 68 are, you see what are the common factors? You see 1 is common, right, and 17 is also common. You see this is 17, right, or 1 and 17, 1 and 17. Since there are two common factors, that is 1 and 17, therefore these numbers are not co-prime. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only 1 as their common factor. Therefore, we can say that that 17 and 68, 17 and 68 are not co-prime numbers. Not co-prime numbers. Not co-prime numbers. This is the solution of question number D. Next, we will do question number E. Question number E is, question number E, here you see, question number E is, that is the number is 216 and 215. Number is 216 216 216 and 215. We'll find the factors of 216, that is 1 into 216 is equal to 216, 2 into 2 1 is 2, 0, 8 to the 16 is equal to 216. 3 into 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6, therefore is 216. 4, with 4 can we find the number? Let us divide 216 by 4. 216, 216, you have to divide this number, or you can find the common factors also, right? Suppose 216, we'll find the factors of that, that is 2, 2 1 is 2, 0, 8. It's 2 into 108, right? If we write, then we can find division by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18. 3 into 36, right? That is 3 to the 6 into 36. Therefore, 6 into 36 is also 216. And find another number, that is 3 also. 3, 3 1 is 3, and 3 2 is 6, right? That is 12. 2 3 is 6, 6 is 18 into 12. That is 18. 18. 18 into 12. 18 into 12 is equal to 216. And there are many factors, we will not find more than that. Let us take 215, right? That is 215 has, what are the factors? 215 has 1 into 215, 1 into 215 is equal to 215, and by 5 we can divide 5. 5 4 is 20, 5 3 is 15 is equal to 215, right? Right, what are any other common factor? Let us find. That is 12, and we can say write as 3 4 is 12, therefore 2 3 is 6, 3 is 18, 18 into 12, 18 into 12, or you can say 3 is 6, 3 is 18, right? These are the factors. Now we see what are the common factors between them, right? The common factors between, therefore you can say common factors, common factors, common factors between 216 and 215 is, you see, where common factor only we are getting 1. You see, this is only common factor, right? And there is no other factor common between them, right? Here you see that is 43 is one number, but we are not getting any number such number. Therefore, the common factor between number is 1, 1. And if there is only 1 as their common factors, then the numbers will be co-prime. Therefore, you can say that 216 and 200 prime and 215 are co-prime numbers, are co-prime numbers, co-prime numbers, right? Since the common factor between 216 and 215 is only 1, and on 1, therefore we can say that 216 and 215 are co-prime numbers, right? Now do the next question, that is question number F. Next question, that is question number F. F is, number is 81 and 16. This number is 81 and 16 and 16. We'll find the factors of 81 and factors of 81. That is 1 into 81 is equal to 81, and 3 into 3 to just 6, this one is 21 is equal to 81. Then 9 into 9 is 81 also, 9 into 9 is equal to 81. And factors of 16 are factors of 16. Factors of 16, that is 1 into 16 is equal to 16, and 2 into 8 is equal to 16, and 4 into 4 is also 16. Therefore, you can say the common factors between 81 and 16 are common factors of 81 and 16 is, you see, 1 is only common factors. You see, 1 is common in both of them, and there are no other number which are common, that is 1. Therefore, the common factors of 81 and 16 is only 1. And if the common factor is only 1 between two numbers, then the numbers are said to be co-prime numbers. Therefore, we can say that 81 and 16, therefore we can say that 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers, are co-prime numbers. In this way, we have to solve all the problem. Here you see again, first of all, we have to find the factors of 81, that is 1 into 81, 3 into 27 is equal to 81, and 9 into 9 is equal to 81. And factors of 16 are 1 into 16 is equal to 16, 2 into 8 is equal to 16, and 4 into 4 is equal to 16. You have to find the common factors of 81 and 16. We find that the common factor is only 1. And if there is a common factor as 1 between two numbers, then the numbers are said to be co-prime. Therefore, you can say that 81 and 16 are co-prime numbers.